Welcome to the instructional video for the Chariot Gladiator, the innovative and safest personal transport solution for industrial and warehouse environments. In this video, we will guide you through the features, safety guidelines, and operational instructions that make the Safety Chariot the superior choice over two-wheel scooters, golf carts, and forklifts. Let's first understand why the Chariot stands out. Compared to traditional transportation solutions like scooters, golf carts, and forklifts, the Safety Chariot offers advanced safety features, greater stability, better visibility, and is easier to operate. The Chariot comes packed with features designed for safety and efficiency. Let's look at some of these features. First, the four-wheel design and low 4-inch platform offer maximum stability and a low center of gravity, making it almost impossible to tip over, a significant improvement over the balance issues of a two-wheel scooter or the high center of gravity in a golf cart. The Chariot is equipped with handlebars that ensure both hands remain firmly gripped while operating. The throttle adjustment allows you to regulate your speed with a maximum of 8 miles per hour, giving you the flexibility to move quickly while maintaining full control. Equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, the Chariot provides instant braking power, ensuring safe stops even in emergencies. The inflatable tires add extra safety by reducing the risk of injury in case of an accidental run-over. One of the key advantages of the Chariot is its enhanced visibility and alert system. The vehicle comes with front and rear headlights, making it highly visible in low-light environments. The strobe lights ensure you're seen by everyone on the floor, and the loud horn can be used to alert those nearby. Safety is our priority. The Chariot is equipped with a kill switch that allows you to immediately cut the power in case of an emergency. This feature is essential in preventing accidents in unexpected situations. Additionally, the onboard fire extinguisher ensures a quick response to any small fires in the workspace. It's always within reach, providing peace of mind during operation. Let's walk through how to properly operate the Chariot. Step onto the low 4-inch platform. With such easy access, the risk of slipping or misstepping is greatly reduced compared to the higher platforms of other vehicles like forklifts or golf carts. Always keep both hands firmly gripped on the handlebars while operating the vehicle. For added support and stability, place one foot slightly forward and the other back, with your knees slightly bent. This stance helps to improve balance, especially during turns. With just a push of a button and pressing on the throttle, the mobile device will go in reverse. Let go of the button and you're back to moving forward. The adjustable throttle lets you increase or decrease speed smoothly, and the four-wheel disc brakes allow for controlled and immediate stops, making it safer than most alternatives. The Chariot has a top speed of 8 miles per hour, as regulated for safety, which is ideal for quick and efficient transportation. However, we recommend maintaining a safe speed based on the environment. In tighter spaces or around people, reduce your speed to ensure maximum safety. Always be aware of your surroundings. Use the horn to alert anyone in your path and rely on the strobe lights and headlights for additional visibility. Now let's quickly compare the Chariot to other common vehicles. The two-wheel scooter is difficult to balance and prone to tipping, making it much less stable than our four-wheel. A golf cart is much larger and harder to maneuver in tight spaces, with a higher platform that increases the risk of injury when getting in and out. Finally, a forklift is heavy and difficult to stop, making it less responsive in emergencies. With its weight, any accident involving a forklift is much more dangerous than with the lightweight Chariot. The Chariot is designed to offer unmatched safety, comfort, and efficiency for any work environment. With features like advanced braking, enhanced visibility, a low platform, and built-in emergency features, it's clear why the Safety Chariot is the safest option available. Thank you for watching. Remember to always operate the Chariot with care, follow all guidelines, and enjoy a safer, more productive work environment.